everyone, welcome to this lecture. I am so excited to start the course with you. So, I am another instructor in this comprehensive course, and I am a professional ethical hacker, computer scientist, and I have more than 10 plus years of experience as a cybersecurity specialist. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn the basics of hacking. Actually, hacking is very misunderstood all over the world. It is not just breaking into someone's computer and stealing money. It's more about gathering knowledge about how to exploit different systems and also defend it from bad guys. So, can it be a good career to be an ethical hacker or cyber specialist? Yes, of course. In cybersecurity field, it is booming day by day. An ethical hacker's average yearly earning is more than $100,000. So it would be a very good career, and also there would be a lot of opportunity and excitement in this career. So that's a plus point. So how many types of hacker are there? There are mainly three types of hackers. First of all, white hat hackers, then grey hat hackers, and at last black hat hackers. So white hat hackers are the virtuous guardians. These cybersecurity heroes use their hacking skills for good, working to protect system and keep the cyber world safe from threats. And then come grey hat hackers. They are kind of curious explorers. A grey hat hacker is someone who plays with computer systems without hurting others. They may explore things without permission, but they don't do it to cause harm. And at last, the black hat hackers. It is a person who hacks into computer systems to bad things like stealing information and causing harm. They use their skills for bad purposes and break the rules of ethical hacking. So we are the good guys, that means ethical hacker, but we will learn how to hack like black hat hackers in detail so that we can protect ourselves from hacking. So that's it for this lecture, and thanks for watching. Hello again everyone. So hacking is not just about breaking into system or stealing data. It is a vast skill that involves understanding how computer system works, how network work, and how to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities, how to attack and defend system, and much more. Everything is covered in this course, but good research and dedication makes you a good hacker. So the first step in hacking is gathering information. So this is about a target system or network. We will learn how to do this practically. So digital footprints like breadcrumbs left by a system can reveal valuable information, and we will explore essential techniques to follow and understand these trails. So once we have gathered information, it is time to scan the target system for potential vulnerabilities. You will get real-world example to do so in further lecture. So we will discuss various scanning tools and techniques that hackers use to find weaknesses in a system. It helps us to identify the services and resources available on the target system, so providing valuable information and insight for further attacking. So that's why it is very important. And last but not least, exploration and gaining access is most exciting part of for any hacker, and we will dive into the fascinating world of exploiting weaknesses to gain unauthorized access to computer system and networks. Understanding how hackers exploit vulnerabilities is essential for cybersecurity professionals to protect against such attacks. So we are going to cover both. As we dive deeper into the world of hacking, it's vital to understand the importance of ethical hacking and cybersecurity also, Ethical hackers, also known as the white hat hackers, plays a crucial role in the identifying and fixing security. So to protect system from malicious attack, we need to deep dive and learn all kind of ethical hacking. And this course is designed to learn ethical hacking, cyber security, and certified ethical hacking. So you will be learning everything that a hacker should know. So that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next video.